Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video on targeted coaching program for new tax pros. And this coaching program is really designed for people who look to start their own career and business inside the career industry of tax preparation and taxation. Just for people that's brand new, no prior training experience, definitely welcome, as well as people who have prior training experience, already working for a tax firm and ready to go to the next level by starting their own tax preparation business. So the biggest difference between an employee and employer is the knowledge and the responsibilities that an employer must have under his or her belt versus an employee. And that doesn't mean as an employer you're gonna know it all, but you have to be positioned where you have people on your team who are delegated to handle certain aspects of the business that helps the business run smooth on a consistent and daily basis to help you grow and build it. And so working for a tax firm for 6 years, being able to learn all the things I need to learn to start my own tax service. Been in the industry for 21 years, 15 as a business owner, puts me in a different position than someone who worked and managed a company for 20 or 30 years because the need to know the responsibilities as a manager slash supervisor is totally different than a business owner slash player coach, meaning I own the business and I sat there on the front uh, row preparing taxes day in and day out for 12 to 16 hours a day, 16 hours, 6 days a week. Uh, as I when I first got started until I got to a point where I was able to grow my business and hire people and had trusted staff to be able to take care of all the different aspects of operating a full-fledged tax service. And so when that day came, it was 7 years after the fact where I was able to not have to come in, not have to open up, have trusted people who could open up for me, run the business for me. If I wanted to take an early day off or not show up at all, I had the luxury of doing that because I had trusted staff members who were on my team that I trained personally to make it happen. So that's the way you want to get to. But having a business, you want to grow it to the point where you got full-fledged staff that can run the business for you, just in case you never show up again. You're still making money because you have a team of people running the business for you. And that's the ideal spot to be. We all start out, for the most part, as self-employed individuals. We're a one-man show. We got to do all the work. And based on our budgets of when it comes to getting started, it's going to dictate how well we do on the front end when it comes to bringing in clients and being able to grow the business and make enough income to hire staff and to scale it to a whole nother level is going to play a key role on how well you get started. So if you get started slow, it's more likely you're going to grow it slow based on a lack of funding, a lack of knowledge, a lack of experience, a lack of know-how. All those things play a role. So in 2020, I came out with my coaching program, which was designed to help women who were looking to start their own tax preparation business, who didn't want to do it by themselves, who want to fast track their success by having someone on their team who had the experience, the knowledge, and the know-how, who could guide them through setting up their business on the front end, help them with all the things they need to have, with all the moving pieces to having a tax preparation business put in place, where they could go out to their office with confidence, knowing that hey, they have somebody on their team that they trust enough to be able to help them deliver on the promise that they said they can do, would help them start and grow a profitable tax preparation business. So if you're looking to start a tax preparation business, woman, and you done all your research and done your due diligence, you maybe even work with some people who couldn't deliver on their promise, and uh, you're still in the game trying to make it work for yourself, then my coaching program is an all-in-one solution because it helps remove all the guesswork to getting started. I give you all the things I've learned, all the insights that I've been through when it comes to a tax service that help to protect the business. And so the things I've learned in this industry was designed to protect my business from going through anything that could put me out of business. And so that knowledge that I share with my clients is priceless within itself. And so, based on your ability to comprehend and understand this information, is going to depend on how fast you start out the gate and how fast you can grow and scale your business on up. The choices, the choice is yours. I'm here just to guide you through, help you maneuver through all the minefields of being in business, all the pitfalls of the mistakes you can make that can be crucial to your success by guiding you through those things where you won't make the mistakes I made uh, as a new business owner. So if you ready to take action and you all got questions when it comes to working with me, because everybody who joined my coaching program, we done a talk first. We followed back up with a Zoom call, so we met face to face. And from there, the ones who's ready to take action, after that Zoom call, I sent them over invoice. They paid it, and we got busy. So that's how simple the process is: initial phone call, a Zoom call, and from there you're either ready to take action, and I'm gonna send you an invoice, and you're gonna pay it, and we're gonna get busy, or you're not. It's just that simple. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to make a difference in your life concerning your finances, and you want to be in control of that, and you don't want to have to count on the fact that job security is no longer secure anymore, and the cap on your income has been capped from the day you walk through the door, then the sky's the limit on the income potential you can make. But it won't be easy, but it'll be worth it if you stick in there, do the necessary tasks that you need to do that's going to allow you to generate 5, 6 figure income, because the life changing income you can generate from having your own tax preparation business is all in your hands. You control that. See, we're in a service based business that's based on our knowledge. People come to us based on the knowledge that we possess, and so for people who don't even bother with doing taxes for whatever reason, they come to tax professionals to get their taxes done. You can be one of those people that they can come to day in and day out, uh, week in and week out, month in and month out, year round. Because see, tax season doesn't end April the 18th for us. It ends October the 15th for us because we work year round. Because to put yourself in the box on trying to make significant income from January to April is a challenge and a struggle within itself, especially for you new people who never had a business in your life. You're just learning how to prepare taxes. You're just learning all the different intricacies of having a business, and then trying to go out here and bring in clients to do business with you. On top of all that, it's the challenge that you face. Even seasoned professionals struggle with constantly bringing more and more clients in. So you being new, you really behind the 8 ball on making that happen. So I have a simple process that's targeted to teaching you what you need to know. And we can go through that as fast or slow based on your ability to comprehend and move on and move fast through the information. And so if you want to learn more about my targeted coaching program for new tax pros, and give you a call to action to give me a call at 779-800-5029, or you can even email me because all my contact information is in the description of all my videos. You can even go to my website, fill out a contact form, and I'll reach back out to you. However you want to do that on your initial uh, contact with me, so we can reach back out and talk to one another, so I can educate you and show you and send you over some information through email on the actual training material that I use to teach clients who need to learn how to prepare taxes, the information, so you can see it for yourself. You can read it for yourself. You can see if this is a right fit for you when it comes to being in the career industry of tax preparation and taxation. Because a lot of people find out after they take action that this wasn't the right move for them. This wasn't what they thought it was going to be. And so they're glad they took action. So now they know tax preparation business model is not for me. Let me find something else, because the responsibilities, the knowledge, and all the things that go along with having this type of business, a lot of people just don't want the responsibility of having that. And if you're one of those people who want their cake and eat it too, then this definitely might not be a good fit for you, because see, this industry is all about dealing with other people's money, and you only got one time to make a mistake when it comes to other people's money, and it's hard to get a second chance on that. So that's the biggest fear people had, is that they didn't want to make a mistake on someone's tax return that's dealing with their money. But if you got someone that's guiding you through learning this information, guiding through making sure you learn it correctly and interpret it correctly, then a fear of that shouldn't happen. Should be a less and less of a situation going forward as you start to train and train and train and learn and learn and learn and become that knowledgeable tax professional that's going to be able to go out and answer basic tax questions for your clients. That's going to help close some of them just on being able to do that alone. So when it's all said and done, this It's a special promotion. Uh, I don't know when I'm going to take it down. I don't know what it's going to end. My regular price is $2,000. So you get to save several $100 if you take action on it now. And I'll see you in my next video.